Hi everyone, my name is Manassas Chavez, and this is my presentation for our discussion board this week. I'm really excited to hear what everyone else has to say. That's just a picture of me in Hawaii. Man, I really miss Hawaii. It was my first time, and it was so far my last time, but I can't wait to go back. My career choice was district attorney, and district attorney is kind of a broad career choice. It involves a lot of tasks and duties. Mainly, you're an appointed official for the government to enforce the law and prosecute those who have infringed upon the law. And that can range from a wide variety of different types of laws, and you have a general gist of most law, but it also ranges from a wide variety of levels of criminal activity. Now, there's lots of names for this title. Like it says here, it can be a state attorney, or also be known as a city attorney, commonwealth attorney, depending on the geographic area. Now, the required education is very minimal. Lots of earning this title of job has a lot to do with experience mixed with your education. Now, earning a bachelor's degree is fantastic. You can get it really in any type of major. That's really just to get you into law school, and then in law school and in bachelor's degrees, you want to have a lot of internships, you want to have a high GPA, and you want to have a high LSAT score so that you can get into law school, and at the end of law school, you want to pass your bar exam. So those are the technical required education requirements, although there's a lot more in terms of time in court and shadowing different attorneys, and years of experience that come with becoming a district attorney. Now, the way I plan on attacking this with my 4-year plan, right now I'm technically a freshman, so I'm getting my degree in general psychology, my minor in political science, a cluster of classes called pre-law classes, and my whole goal is just to maintain a high GPA, practice so I can get a high score on that LSAT test, and just explore different leadership opportunities within internships and other fields. Especially in this degree, I'd love to do more research, seek out more research opportunities. This will all culminate to me applying to these 5 schools, which I'm so excited to get into. It'll be my dream come true to go to any one of these schools. But we'll see in 4 years. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do it. I chose psychology because there's so many different types of laws, and there's so many different bachelor's degree majors that you can marry with different types of laws. So, for example, you could get your bachelor's degree in music performance, and then get a law degree. If you have a high GPA and have a high LSAT score, you could go get your law degree in intellectual rights property law. And that's just a great marriage of the two. They could both, that first degree could work really well with that second degree. Same thing with another example could be, you could be an environmental science major and then go to law school, as long as you have a high GPA and then a high LSAT score, like I mentioned. You could go to environmental law, and that would be a great marriage of the two. And I listed some other examples here in the PowerPoint, but the reason I chose psychology is because I just feel it's a great marriage to criminal law. And that's a general move to make. A lot of students do that, or a lot of students choose political science. Both deal with moral issues, and I've just found this one fascinating. Now, my reasons for choosing a psychology degree differed a little bit from the ones that were listed in Chapter 13. The strongest one in Chapter 13 was I have a very strong interest in the subject matter of psychology. And although I do, and although that would be my driving passion for choosing this major, the real reason is so that I can get a good undergraduate degree that will prepare me for a graduate or professional degree. And that's what I'm really excited for. And like I said, I love psychology. I love figuring myself out and figuring others out. And I feel like this will be a great marriage of this and the criminal law degree I plan to pursue. Anyway, thank you so much for listening. I hope we all got everything out of this, and I sure did. But everyone have a good day.